Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Microsoft, which is currently hiring for their software engineering intern role for the 2027 batch. So under the required qualifications, Microsoft has listed that you should be currently pursuing a BTech or an MTech degree in computer science, engineering, or any other related field, and you should be having a period of one semester or one term of training after your internship concludes. So these are the required qualifications that you need to have to apply for this role. And under the preferred qualifications, Microsoft has listed that you need to have an understanding and an ability to demonstrate your understanding of core computer science subjects, especially they have mentioned data structures and algorithms. So you do understand the importance of DSA in their hiring process, right? So as a Microsoft Software Engineering Intern, you will be expected to work with appropriate stakeholders to decide on what are the user requirements for a particular feature. You'll have to learn engineering methods quickly and implement them. You'll have to take feedback from your seniors and incorporate best industry engineering practices in your work. So I will be quickly going through the hiring process that Microsoft generally follows for their internship role. So you will be having to sit for an online coding assessment first. That will be having a time limit of 90 minutes, and you will have to solve 3 easy to medium level DSA questions, and this assessment will be happening on metal.com. Now, once you get through your online coding assessment, you will have to sit for a virtual technical interview. So you will be given a Microsoft Teams meeting that you will have to join. This interview typically spans over a time period of 40 to 50 minutes, where you will be asked a DSA question. It depends on you how fast you can solve it, because after you solve it, you'll be asked about the time complexity, about the edge cases that are possible, whether you've handled them. If not, you'll have to handle them, and you will be allowed to use an IDE of your choice. So it is not like Google interviews where you have to write the code on a Google Doc. So once you are done with your DSA question, you will also be asked questions on OOPS and questions on the projects that you have mentioned, if any, in your resume. Now, once you get through your virtual technical interview, it goes well, you will be moving forward to the next round, which is an on-site interview where you have to appear in person in one of their campuses, whichever they have mentioned. And you will not be given much time to prepare for this, because you'll be informed about a week prior to your interview date. So be prepared. So in this personal interview, you'll have to sit for 2 rounds. The candidates who get through the first round, only they are allowed to sit for the second round. So in the first round of your personal interview, you will be asked DSA questions again. This time you will have to code these solutions on paper, and there will be around 3 to 4 questions or versions of a question. So remember to structure your approach first before actually starting, because if you think and write at the same time, it might become messy, untidy, and your interviewer might not be considering your answer, right? So after you are done with your questions, you will also be asked to explain your time complexity and how maybe you can there are possibilities to improve it. And once you're done with your DSA question, again you can be asked questions about operating system topics and OOPS questions as well. So once you get through your first personal interview, you will be asked to sit for a technical plus HR round, which will be your last round. This round is mostly HR. So the interviewer will be introducing himself in detail. Make sure you are introducing yourself with the same detailed approach. And Whenever you're answering HR questions, it's important to align the qualities that you claim to have with the ideologies that Microsoft is looking for in their candidates. That will definitely be getting you through the HR round. So these are the 3 rounds or 4 rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into Microsoft as a software engineering intern. So if you are looking forward to this, then don't be late, because these links don't stay open for too long. So go ahead, apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in my next video.